Hi everyone, I am now in Mutiara Ville, level 6. This is the facility floor. Okay, today we're going to check out this development. It has 7 blocks, 29 stories. The developer is Seri Mutiara Ville. Yeah? Then he has about 1,000 over units, sizes ranging from 450 square feet right up to 1,000 square feet. He has from 1 bedroom up to 3 bedrooms. Let me take you around and enjoy the show. Let's go. As you come in from the main road, on your left is the Gem in Mall. It's a shopping center, but quite dead though. And this is the tower. This is also Mutiara Ville. In here you will see the management office and also the facility like swimming pool and tennis court. Once you go down, you will reach their main entrance. There we have the main entrance with the 4 blocks behind. Just now we are at block G. This is a link bridge, right, to level 6 facilities. Okay, this is the parking space for the residents. Each unit comes with 2 carpark. You can see it's quite there's a quite height there, so you don't feel so claustrophobic. Just that the floors are a little bit uneven. Look at that, cement floors, uneven a bit, but well, can't complain. We are now at the 6th floor facility area. So there are also units here on the right and link bridge to swimming pool and left. These units I think will be less privacy because we got people going up and down this common area here. But the fact that it goes a little bit out from the side gives you a little sense of privacy. People that come out here maybe can see the unit there. Okay, let's go to the facility floor. Coming out from block G, I'm standing right in the middle of the pool. You see there's like an infinity pool vibe there. Some sort lah, infinity pool a bit, quite big the pool. There's place to rest here and shower there. You see the facility floor is right in the middle of all the blocks. There's 1 block here, 2, 3, and finally the 4. So 4 blocks, hundreds of units. Looking at the facility here, kind of standard though, but like I said, high density. You can have your playgrounds beside. Children's pool is here. If you would like to place to hang out, there's also the swing there. And how about barbecue? There's 2 barbecue pits, 1, 2, and another place for you to hang out. So you can actually convene here and chat, I guess. Simple basic facilities. What you expect from a condo is all here. Okay, this is the corridor. The moment you exit, there is 3 lifts, including 1 fire lift. This is the floor layout. We are at level 8. That one's a facility. So there's about 16 units per floor for 3 lifts. 3 lifts here. Why the fire extinguisher. One thing is that you could notice there's a lot of fire extinguisher. Here is fire extinguisher, here is also fire extinguisher. Exit fire staircase. Quite dense. Is if it's 3 lifts for 16 units and also only one is fire lift and 2 lift only. I think it's dense, high density. Okay, let's go here. So the moment you reach this corridor, left units, right side also units. However, from here you get to see their facilities. 50th floor, and also down there is a parking. Corridor is huge with I think you can just stretch your hand. Let's check out this unit, 975 square feet. It has 2 rooms plus 1 bathroom. The moment you come in, you will see a kitchen. These cabinets are all provided by the developer. This is, we're going to the yard. See, there's a yard here. This is another room, 2 plus the utility room, and that's the tap for your washing machine. So the ledge here, you can also put aircon. It's quite big, the ledge. One thing the developer actually add here is the fire extinguisher. Very good safety. This is the living hall. No, that is the living hall. This is the dining hall. That's the living hall. Okay, and this is the switch plug for your internet and cable. We go to the balcony. Okay. This is the balcony, and that is your scenery from level 8. You can see there's still a lot of breeze that side. Aircons, 3 aircons here, 1 aircon inside. Okay. See this. That is it. This one is the corridor leading to the rooms that is 2 plus 1. You see the left and right. This room here is actually a utility room. You see the glass there, it feels like an animal in the zoo, right? So you will turn into a sleeping room. It's quite weird, but it can be done. You can remove the glass, or you can put a curtain on it, so that you will cover and have privacy. I suggest that you remove the glass. Con. It's quite big actually. You can put a king size bed. It's a plug point. There's also a window there, so you need to put your curtain for privacy cover. Okay. Check out the second room. This is the second room. Quite big. There's 2 plug points. 1, 2. Fit a queen size bed also. And this is the master room. Master room is huge. I like the ceiling to floor glass, and there's a smoke detector there. Ceiling to floor glass. It gives a lot of brightness. Ceiling to floor glass. There's 2 plug points. You can also fit a queen size bed. Oh wait, there's a 3 plug points. You can plug more on TV. And here is the attached bathroom, the master bathroom. The developer actually provides you with a water heater and also the shower screen. Only you just need to add a mirror. Okay. And we go to the second bathroom. The same thing, you also provide the shower screen and the water heater. You need to add the bathroom mirror. That's all for the house. that's all for the tour we have today. I hope you like what you see, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe for more contents like this. And if you have not hit the like button, do smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and it will help me a lot. If you or anyone of your friends would like me to actually cover your property, just do a tour. I will be more than happy to go there and cover your property in exchange for a cup of coffee, and also perhaps some exchange on property and also financing. We can talk over coffee after the tour. So until then, I'll see you again. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.